Safe Security Solutions. SensoGuard seismic security system serves as an extra layer of protection to your existing physical security measures. Leveraging the same sensitive technology used for earthquake detection, our underground sensors have one key advantage: they are completely invisible to the intruder. As opposed to other security systems that require a line of sight of the intruder, seismic security can identify and thwart intruders without even seeing them. SensoGuard is a technology-focused company known for its intelligent adaptive algorithm that continuously learns the behavior of the environment, combined with a proprietary operating system that was specifically designed for seismic security applications. Our solutions boast the lowest energy consumptions and fewest false positives on the market. SensoGuard takes seismic security one step further with sensor-level signal processing, which enables pinpoint detection as well as the type of threat classification for better decision-making and more timely response. Safe Security Solutions seismic detectors can cover a wide range of security applications, from prisons, national borders, critical facilities, military and private homes. We offer wireless, tactical kits, mobile operation sensor systems, standalone detectors, perimeter systems, and the world's first smart seismic sensor which has the brain inside. All are extremely affordable and easy to install and deploy. So turn the tables on intruders and put the element of surprise where it belongs: in your hands. Safe Security Solutions, the UK's leading distributor of SensoGuard products.